Hello friends, welcome back. In this short video, we are going to learn how we can use the strike-through format for a specific cell or for a range of cell. So here you can see I have write down a to-do list. The total 4 item is there, and if I want to strike this text whenever this task is completed, so for this I have to use the shortcut key Ctrl plus 5. You can see this text is striked right now. If you want, you can also select a specific range, and then the other way to use the strike through format for this range, click on the format cell, and then you can, in the font group, you can see there is a strike through option, and you can preview here also the text and click OK. You can see all these are striked. So that's it for this video. Hope this video will help you, and if you are new into my channel, make sure you have pressed the subscribe button, and if you like this video, don't forget to press the like button. I would also like to hear from you in the next video what you want from my side. Write in the comment section. Thanks for watching.